Hooray! Yeah, they are very strict. They're closed for lunch means closed for lunch for the entire company to go out for lunch. Yeah. So I'm always the guy that brought the dirtiest car inside here.
I thought mine was dirty enough.
So
I
there's a lot of stuff that need to be sorted. Thank you, bro. Thank you. And look for Darren. Look for Kenji. Kenji prefer to be off camera. Oh, now okay already.
Can't hear it.
Huh?
Can't hear it.
Oh, okay. Okay lah. See the car in 2 weeks time. Yeah. Guys, I just bought these shoes. 30 over ringgit for 2 pairs. It even has the word fashion. But they're very comfortable to wear. My pants are like what? Less than 20 ringgit. My wallet is 12 ringgit. Let me show you my wallet. It's 12 ringgit. Look at that. Yeah. Because as a car guy, we couldn't give a damn. As long as we love our cars. Okay. Oh. I know, to each his own. Some people loves branded goods. I mean, I love branded goods as well, but no way I'm gonna use oil change money to buy a pair of pants, you know? Oh, that's the check engine light. Okay, everything done. Ready to start. Ready? Lovely sound. Money well spent. Let's head to AutoDetailer to drop this car off for the good thorough cleanup. Yep. It's clean. I washed my car the other day at their place, but there are some stuffs I hope they can do for me, which only they could. Also to pick up the BMW, which I've dropped it there about more than a week ago. Yep. My apologies to a Tesla that was behind me just now, because there was a Saga in front of me that was blocked by a very slow motorcycle, and the Saga is like 2 car lengths in front of me, so he dare not come out even though I slowed down my car to let him merge back in front of me. So he doesn't dare to come out, you know. So I had to accelerate to quickly overtook him so that there's a clearer path for him to come out. And it was it was a bit loud, you know, especially as I was just, you know, trundling along slow, low RPM, and then all of a sudden, you know, more than half throttle, and then the car just screams and just yeah, it's very easy for the Tesla to catch up to me, but I suppose that sound was rather aggressive. Anyway, I have arrived. There's a car behind me, and let me honk them a little bit. Yeah, AutoDetailer here to pick up my BMW and put in the Aston, and just to clean up all the watermarks, just to have the engine bay shining again, you know, freshen it up. And that's that beautiful green S65 AMG, and underneath the cover, I guess you all know something really special. And Oh my god, look at that Mercedes. Oh, with white side walls as well. Gorgeous. Okay. Yeah, I love this car. I love it. Love it to bits. Okay. See, that's how it looks when you have the key in there, right? And then when you take it out, boom, another key is there. That's what I love most about these British cars. Sophistication. Yeah. A lot of sophistication. Alright, let's go down. And look at the way the door swings open. Okay, 45,000 km. When I got the car, it was 12. And look at my shoes. Fashion, fashion, fashion. Oh, there we go. Let's look around. But before that, gonna go have a look at this guy here. Oh, look at that. Hey, Subaru, your hood scoop. Yeah, that one is for the in-car cabin, not for the engine. But this is cool. Where do you even get these? Oh no, it was stick-on. Now, I prefer the older gen where the quality is remarkably slightly better. And yeah, let's go have a look. Look at all that. What's the charger for the Ferrari? Morning, morning. Kenji jalan. Okay. Old CD changer. Hello. See, this is what I meant when the rear window can come down all the way. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh! Okay, let me first say hi first. R34 GTR. Morning. Kenji is out. Oh. Morning, one. Okay, don't catch you. No, don't catch you. That's Darren? Yeah. The keys are inside already? Yeah, I came in with my own touch and go card. So how?
You can just use for this.
Okay, alright.
Okay.
Thank you. The keys are inside, Okay. Now I'm just gonna do a quick video. Thank you.
Some girls happen like you're up to something, but that you're up to something.
I think I'm falling for you.
Thank you, Chanti. So I didn't respray the car. You know, if there are scratch marks and all that, stone chips, they are still there. But the thing is, the stuff that they do include detailing the little stuffs, you know, and oh, you know, I have some cracks over here, and they fixed it. I mean, the leather is, I mean, I did not replace the leather, but those who know will know that, you know, you develop cracks, and the paint on the leather kind of flicker off, and I think they fixed it. It's so nice. Lovely. Right. Because over time, right, because this car is like, what, 13 years old. I got the car about 10 years ago, and over time, of course, there's wear and tear and all that, and the whole car just looks aged. So it's important to have places like these that freshen up everything, you know. I mean, of course, if you want to go crazy, you can respray all this and all that, but no, that's not how people like us who drive our cars every single week take care of our cars, because these are for show. I mean, if you go for a car show, I mean, if this qualifies for a car show, this doesn't, that one does, right? And when you go for a car show, that one will have, you know, oh, those are my dream wheels. Do you guys think I should get these wheels? Hey, hello. Oh, Alpina rim, so nice, super 我很喜欢这个 rim。那个时候我问他们，他们做不到。
因为它的那个，
还有那个 lock 呢，对吗？这样哦。 这两个实在漂亮，我很喜欢这个运动。
139，买一辆139，放这个。
这个放不到吗？
对呀、
放到哦。漂亮哦。不，这两个不是Alpina嘛？这没给人家讲哦。哦，你不是Alpina，很漂亮的这个兵。
不用洗，它有一辆车了，知道吗？
哦，这个
所以可以讲它。
是咯。Oh yes. Do you have the feeling that your car drives better when it's cleaner? Yeah. Anyway, another thing is that I just returned from Japan. Every single car on the streets in Osaka or Kyoto looks like that. They all look like that. They all look like they just came out from the showroom or something. But anyway, it's always nice to have the car refreshed once in a while, like a heavy refresh. Not the super heaviest type like these type, no, but yeah, just makes you feel nice. Look at them. Thank you so much to Darren and especially Kenji and the team at AutoDetailer. So guys, do know this, whenever you buy a car, whatever budget you have, just come over here at Jaya One Auto Detailer, and I tell you, these guys are super nice. They are realistic with you. They have advise you on what needs to be done, what need not to be done. They are not those that are out there to, you know, get your money and all that. They're just super nice. And oh, I can't stop looking at this rear quarter panel that can open all the way up. Why is it that the new 8 Series can't do this? You see the difference? This is the difference between a real Grand Touring 2-door and one that doesn't, you know, with the, I mean, mine's a convertible, so I can open this, but this is tiny compared to this opening. Look at that. Alright, so anyway, these guys are the best in the business. Just come over and inquire from them. They don't just do detailing, they do full restorations even for you. Every single luxury car brand, they have the tools, proper tools to go through all of them. And I always love coming here because they work quietly. You know, not a lot of noise, nothing. They just do their stuff. They have a full studio team taking nice photos of your cars, videos of your cars and all that. One and only out there. Okay? Cheers. There's an X5 or X6M being started. X6M. Super nice. Let's go home.